Hello everyone, the weather forecasters promised us a very pleasant day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and my partner ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk is Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you live action from MLS. It's the San Jose Earthquakes against the Los Angeles Galaxy.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right...
It certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book him, I think. Well, there it is, the first caution of this match.
Well, he didn't need to make the challenge, did he? He's under pressure now. It's a long time to go in this game.
Monteiro. Well, we know how troublesome he can be on the pitch, but what should we expect from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's their top marksman, but he's also a great all-round player. He just has that ability to go past defenders with such ease. Hopefully we see that again today.
Potential danger here. Well, clattered away. Chance here. Oh, wonderful save.
Well, he reacts so quickly there. That's a great save.
So the corner played into the box. Not increasing the pressure. Another corner it is. And over it comes. Not messing around with that clearance. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Can they forge ahead? A goal! They've opened the scoring in the derby, and I'll tell you what, you can hear a pin drop in here. 1-0 then. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. Monteiro. Looking confident with the ball at his feet. This could level it. Oh, he's missed it. He'll be kicking himself.
Well, the opportunity presented itself, and they really should be level. They have to be more composed, more clinical if they want to get back into this.
And they have possession again. Just can't seem to get out of their own half, and that's down to the pressure. Promising looking ball. Francisco Calvo. Ibo Bissi. Getting the better of his opponent. And he's broken free. And the keeper has denied him.
Well, I've got to say, Derek, he was always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff.
Foiling them effectively.
Well, the visitors, as you can see, haven't enjoyed the majority of possession. But when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
Well, he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Now can they make something happen? Bad pass. Grancia. On to Hernandez. Hernandez. Well, nearly shaving the crossbar with that powerful effort. And the whistle is sounded for half. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. And the pass overhit. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half. Not only did he get the goal that gave them the lead, but his general play was really good. He was a constant threat, and I'm sure we'll see more of him in the second half.
Read it well. Can they trouble the opposition this time? And let's give credit to the defending. Throw-ins given. Ibobisi. Still behind, but the pressure mounting. This could be the equaliser. Absolutely spot on with that challenge. Not troubling the keeper.
Well, what a good piece of goalkeeping that was. But the equaliser can't be long in coming, surely.
Chance to attack using width. But quick thinking defensively. It looks promising. And now they have the ball back. An inability to keep hold of the ball there. Espinosa. Might be a chance here. Well, just went a bit too early. Offside. And the emphasis is on creativity. Opportunity it is. Well, the crossing needs to be a bit better than that. Monteiro are really pressing their opponents. Just 15 minutes remaining. Jan Gregus. Gregus. Well, they keep the ball moving, and the keeper making sure there were no scraps for them to feed on. Oh, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Well, nearing full time, and here's the question, are they going to come up just that little bit short? Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, I think their forward play has been poor today. They've not had enough movement from the front players, and the midfield have been too safe with their passing. Unless that changes in these
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart. Opportunity. Full credit. Oh, a fine save at this point in the game.
Well, he's just about kept them in it, but time's against them here.
And so into the final 5 minutes. Derek Williams. Delgado. Real chance. Will he play it in? And there goes the final whistle, much to the disappointment.